Hello everyone, today we will learn how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube with fixed moves. There are a total of 4 moves that you will learn. I would recommend that you practice each step until you can do it smoothly before moving to the next step. So for this method, you do not need to memorize any algorithm. Just apply the correct move for each step and the cube will be solved. Ready? Let's go! So for the first step, we will form the white side here. Right, so in order to do that, you will need to rotate the cube around, okay, and find the white pieces. So to make sure that it's you form the L shape like this, right, and then you locate the last white piece. So for this case, it's here, and what you need to do is to rotate this white piece underneath the piece that is not white, like so. Yeah. So this white piece will appear here, 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 or even here, right? So once you have done that, you will apply this move. It's called the swipe left-right move. So what you do is that on the right side here, you will turn it down and use your ring finger, swipe it to the left, and move up again. Same on the other side, swipe it to the right. Okay, so you continue to do that until you get all the white on top, like so. Alright, so for step number 2, we will form the top layer here. So what you need to do is to find the side with similar color. So for our case here, we have one side with both red, and what you need to do is to face the side with the similar color away from you, like so. And in cases where you do not find any similar colors, you can face the cube anywhere, and you have to repeat the fixed move one more time to get the top layer formed, right? So the fixed move that we apply here is called the triplets. So what you need to do is repeat 3 times of the similar move on different side, like so. So you need to turn it down on the right side here, swipe left and up, right? So you repeat the same move on the left side here, down, swipe and up, right? And one more time on the right, 3 times in total. Yeah, 1, go down, swipe again and come up. So what you see here is that you have successfully formed the top layer with all the same colors. So for step 3, we will form the yellow side, which is here. Right, so there are 4 common scenarios that you may encounter. The first one is like so, where you have 2 yellow pieces on one side, and what you need to do before you apply the move is to position like this on the right side here. So in the second scenario, you may see that you have 2 yellow pieces, but they are diagonally to each other. So what you need to do is to place one of the yellow pieces on the bottom left here, right? And before you apply the move. In the third scenario, you only have 1 yellow piece, and you will place the yellow piece on the bottom left as well. In the last scenario, you will see that you do not have any yellow pieces here, so it doesn't matter how you place the cube, and you apply the move multiple times, and you will get the top yellow layer solved, right? So for our case here, we will position the cube this way. So we have one side with the yellow, side by side here, and we apply the move. We call it a fun twist. Right, so you have to repeat this move several times before you see the yellow side is formed. Right, so this is how the move goes. So you twist up on the right side, right, and then twist down, twist up, twist, twist down. Right, you can see that the first layer is still intact. Okay, so now you can see that there's no more yellow pieces here, but you just apply the same move again. So up, twist, down, twist, up, twist, twist, down, right? So it goes back to the two pieces of yellow side, and what you need to do is to rotate to the right side here and apply the move. Up, twist, down, twist, up, twist, twist, down. So you have one yellow piece here. So you position it on the bottom left here. Yeah, just rotate the cube. So and apply the move. Up, twist, down, twist, up, twist, twist, down. So again, one more piece of yellow here. Rotate the cube to the bottom left to where you place the yellow piece and apply the move. Up, twist, down, twist, up, twist, twist, down. So sometimes you have to repeat the moves a few times before you can see the yellow side complete, right? So there you go. You have successfully completed step number 3. So in the last step, we will form the last layer, and what you need to do first is to see the side and identify if there's any side with similar color, right? So in our case here, we have one side with a red color, right? And if not, you can face the cube any side, right, before you apply the move. And in our case, if you do have one side with similar color, what you need to do is to rotate the side to the bottom layer that's with the similar color and face it away from you, yeah, like so, before you apply the move, right? So the move that we're going to apply here is called the in, out, right move, right? So just follow me, yeah? So what we'll do is that on the right side here, we twist in towards you, right? So in front of you, and then twist in again. Okay, and then what you need to do is that for the front, turn 2 rounds. Yeah. The second part, you turn the side out away from you. For the front, same thing, out away. And one more step, out away from you. And do the front twist 2 times again. Alright, like so. Okay. And the last part, on the right side, twist 2 times. Right, and you end with the final move with the front again, turn 2 times, and your cube will be formed. Right, so you just need to turn around the cube with the same colors on the side. Okay, so you have successfully completed the last move, right, and completed the 2x2 Rubik's Cube as well. So we have successfully completed the cube in 4 steps with fixed move. It is important that you practice each move many times so that you are familiar with it before moving to the next move. So with that, have fun and enjoy solving your cube. Now if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel and stay tuned to more interesting tutorials. See you in the next video.